man, let's check out all the upgrades. I've waited for so long to get all this stuff, and it's finally here. All the upgrades for the EcoDiesel. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. This is it. This EcoDiesel is finally going to be upgraded. It took me a while. I was waiting on parts, but it's finally here. ¿Cómo están, amigos? Bienvenidos al canal de Revenant Jeep. Los invito a que me acompañen. Finalmente vamos a instalar los productos en este EcoDiesel Jeep 2020, así que estoy ansioso de que se promueva estos nuevos productos en este Jeep y que se vea totalmente monstruoso. Eso es lo que queremos, que este Jeep se vea monstruoso. So, acompáñenme y vamos a ver esta instalación. Alright, guys, so I'm not going to go too detail on the installation because you guys could probably do the lift kit yourselves. But I want to highlight just the stuff, just what I encounter as I lift my Jeep, and just detail what the installation will be. But it won't be step by step. But join me, guys, and let's get this Jeep completely transformed. So acompáñame, amigos, vamos a transformar este Jeep. Vamos. See right here, we got a Jefe outside the shop, but you gotta look at its competitor being transformed. Como aquí ven, amigos, aquí está el Jefe, el YJ aquí está, y está con el JL EcoDiesel. Así que va a ver cómo se va a transformar su compañero aquí en un monstruo. Así que vamos a ver, va a ser una larga noche, ya son las 9. It's 9 o'clock, guys, but we're gonna get this video started. Alright, so the lift kit I decided to go with is the rock crawler kit. So this one's a good kit. I can always upgrade to a long arm, so that's pretty good. And I got my brother helping me out. Ok, amigos, como ven aquí, voy a instalar un rock crawler kit en este Jeep. Y aquí tengo a mi hermano que me está ayudando. Vamos a instalar primero, empezar con donde enfrente. So we're going to start with the front and see how far we can go. As you guys can see, it's already late and it's freaking hot inside the shop, but we're going to try to get as far as we can, and if not, we'll just continue tomorrow. So let's just open some boxes, take out the parts, and then start installing stuff. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so it's pretty much midnight already, freaking tired, but everything's mocked up. We got the lower control arms on, the track bar, the links, all that's all in. All we have to do is just put the springs in. Shocks are in as well. And we're freaking tired, so we're just gonna call it a night. So we'll see you guys in the morning. It's a floating Jeep. It's got no wheels. My gosh. It's held by the 6-ton jack, so we're safe. And let's check it out. So pretty much we have everything installed. You got the longer springs, and then these shocks. These are basic shocks. Later on in the future, I'll probably trade up for some Fox or even King. We'll see. But for now, everything's pretty much set to go. All we have to do is just get the lower control arms to specs, and then we install those. But other than that, it's looking good already. So I'm definitely gonna have to jack up the Jeep even more higher up so I can install the wheels. But let's go to the side real quick. Other side as well, it's all there. As you guys can see, got the little hockey pucks right there installed for the bump stop, but it's all there. It's ready to go. Let's keep going. This is the final stage of this lift kit. So we're moving to the rear side of the Jeep, and these are the final pieces for the rear lift kit, and we got it all lifted up and we're ready to go, guys. So we're almost going to be done with the suspension, and then we'll move on to adding on the wheels and tires. So it's getting excited, guys. It's going to look great. All right, let's get to it. We're all done. We installed the rear suspension. Pues ya estuvo, mi amigos. Ya instalé la suspensión de atrás para el lift kit de 3.5 pulgadas de altura. Así que ya está listo. Alright, guys, 3.5-inch lift kit, rock crawler suspension. Here we go. So now we're gonna do is just install the wheels. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick installation. I didn't go too much into details. I didn't want to bore you guys, but I do want to keep you guys with that excitement, because right now we're going to install the wheels, and that's going to be exciting just to see how the Jeep transforms. It's going to be exciting. So aquí acabamos, amigos. No les voy a enseñar lo resto. Vamos a dejar hasta el siguiente video para que ustedes vean cuando instalen las llantas y los rines en este Jeep, así para que se queden con esa ansiedad de ver el siguiente video. Así que gracias por conectarse. Nos vamos a ver en el siguiente video. Alright, guys, thank you guys so much for joining this quick view of the rock crawler suspension installation. It was fun. It was a little bit of hard work. I mean, I never worked on a JL or JK. I've only worked on TJs and YJs, so this is an experience, but very basic installation. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you guys the next video, the wheels and tires that we're going to be installing on this Jeep. So stay tuned, guys. Anyone can do this installation. You don't got to be a professional, as long as you got some decent tools and a little bit of knowledge, and you can install this yourself. So that's what my channel is about, just to motivate you guys to get that installation going. And you know, it might be your first time, but it's all good. You know, this is how you learn, and this is how you get experience to tackle on bigger projects. So we'll see you in the next video. Later, guys. Nos vemos, amigos.